Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when everything you download opens up under Notepad. So for example, as you can see, I have a zip folder and also a picture, and it just opens up with Notepad, as you can see. So in order to fix this, so for example, for a zip file, all you have to do is right click on it, open with, and then you want to go ahead and choose another app, for example, like so, and you want to choose, for example, for this, I would choose File Explorer. If you don't see it there, you can go ahead and choose an app on your PC, and you want to press always, just like so. And now, as you can see, it opens up normally like a zip folder. Now for the picture, you're gonna again press on it, open with, choose another app, and you're gonna choose photos and press on always, and it will change, as you can see. Now, if that didn't work, what you need to do is go to the settings, and on settings, you want to press on apps right there. On apps, you want to choose default apps. And for example, if something is set as a notepad, you want to go ahead and scroll until you see notepad, press on it. And here you will see all of the file types, which opens up in the notepad. For example, if you want to go ahead, change it, you're going to press on it and you choose another app instead of notepad and set it as default like so, and change it just like that. So that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.